So in the previous video, I mentioned that if you invest in residential property with only 100 bucks, you will probably get ripped off by the company which issues the investment product and manages your investment. In today's video, I will try to dig into this a little bit further because I only said that last time based on my gut feeling. Hello everyone and welcome to mangomonkey Learns Money. In my channel, I want to give you guys ideas on how to become a millionaire. You can be a millionaire very easily. Realistically, within 55 years, if you only save and invest 100 bucks a week, and you can achieve a rate of return of at least 4% per annum. And today, we will look into BrickX. BrickX lets you invest into residential properties from as little as $250 initial investment, and you do not need to apply for a home loan. That means you do not need to be working at all. Even if you are on Centrelink, you can use your Centrelink money, pull it into the property market through BrickX. So all you Centrelink recipients out there, let's start investing into property. I'm just kidding. So when you invest into BrickX, you are investing into a trust fund or a managed fund which holds ordinary people's homes. These are not student accommodations, these are not service apartments, they are normal ordinary homes that you are living in right now. BrickX has a mixture of houses and apartments in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, Adelaide, and in Sydney I can see that they have homes in Darlinghurst, Balmain, Manly, and more. They call this buying a brick instead of buying a house. You can even choose the properties you want to buy the bricks for. For example, you can buy a brick of a property in Darlinghurst and a property in Balmain, but if you do not want anything to do with Manly, you can exclude the property in Manly. Each brick costs you probably something like $50. And now let's see what they charge in fees. They charge 0.5% when you buy a brick and another 0.5% when you sell a brick. That's not bad. It's cheaper than your real estate agent commission when you sell your real house. Apart from these fees, BrickX also charges up to 6% of the rental income to manage the property, which is again not too bad. They also charge an investment management fee of up to 2% per annum of the gross asset value, and that's a combination of your money and the borrowings from the bank. So that's probably something like 3% per annum of your money itself. In other words, 3% of your equity as an estimate. BrickX charges a performance fee of up to 30% of the amount that the particular BrickX trust or property outperforms the benchmark return by over the financial year. I had a look at their latest trust or their latest property, which goes by the code CLN01 in Clyde, North Victoria. For this property, the benchmark return is 5%, which is the average annual return of the CoreLogic Hedonic Index for houses in Victoria over 2010 to 2020. So basically, if your property goes up by over 5% per annum, BrickX keeps 30% of the outperformance and you get to keep 70% of it. A 30% performance fee seems a bit high when compared to managed funds for the share market. The performance fee of a managed fund is usually under 20%, and usually it is also subject to a high watermark. I haven't looked too much into the fees for REITs, which invest into properties, but on face value, BrickX seems to be a little on the expensive side. I didn't spend too much time looking at each property that BrickX has got, but at a quick glance, the investment return also didn't seem that great. A lot of their bricks seem to be worth a bit less now compared to the prices at which they were originally issued. But maybe that's because we are in a coronavirus pandemic and everything has dropped in price. I'm not too sure. Having said that, if you can only save $100 a week, or if you are not working at the moment, and you want to diversify your portfolio so you have a little bit of properties and a little bit of stocks, it is probably okay to use BrickX because you don't have any other way to do it. I won't personally use BrickX, but hey, it may work out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash the like button. Turn it blue for me for the holy YouTube algorithm. I upload daily personal finance and investing videos, so please do subscribe if you would like to see more content from me. Thank you and have a lovely day.